Hello and welcome to Purpose Path TV Global. Recently, a shocking headline has been spreading across social media. $15,000 to enter America. Some people are afraid. Some are confused. Some believe the US has completely shut its doors to Africans. In this video, we will slow everything down and explain the truth. Calmly, clearly, and honestly. We will cover what this $15,000 visa bond really is, who it affects, and who it does not, whether this means America is closed, and what wise people should do now. Please like, subscribe, and share, because fear spreads fast, but truth must catch up. What the headline really means. Let me say this clearly. The US is not charging everyone $15,000 to enter America. The headline is misleading if taken without context. What the US government has expanded is something called a visa bond program. This is not new, but it has been expanded to more countries, including many in Africa. What is a visa bond? A visa bond is a refundable security deposit, required only in some cases, decided by a US consular officer, mainly tied to visitor visas, B1/B2. The amount can range from $5,000, $10,000, up to $15,000. Paying the bond does not guarantee a visa. Not everyone is asked to pay it. It is usually imposed when an officer believes there is a high risk of overstay. If you follow visa rules, leave the US on time, the bond is refunded. If you overstay, violate visa terms, the bond is forfeited. What a visa bond is not. A visa bond is not a fine, not a fee everyone must pay, not permanent, not applicable to all visa types. This is risk control, not punishment. Who is affected? This policy mainly affects tourist visas, B1/B2, short-term business visits. It does not automatically apply to student visas, work visas, employment-based immigrant visas, EB3, EB2, etc. Family-based immigrant visas. So if you are a nurse on EB3, a student applying for F1, a worker with employer sponsorship, this bond policy is not your primary pathway issue. What this means for Africa and Nigeria. Many African countries were added because overstay rates were considered high. Compliance concerns exist. This does not mean Africans are banned. Nigerians are rejected automatically. It means the US is saying, if you want to come temporarily, show us strong compliance. And here is the hard truth. 1. Immigration history now matters more than ever. 2. Overstays, fake documents, and misrepresentation have long-term consequences. Very important. Scam warning. Please hear this carefully. If anyone tells you, pay $15,000 to me, I'll secure your visa. This bond guarantees approval. We can avoid this bond secretly. Run. A visa bond is requested only by a US consular officer, is paid only through official US government platforms, is never paid to agents or middlemen. Wise advice going forward. This policy tells us one thing clearly. The era of shortcuts is over. If you plan to travel, 1. Be honest. 2. Apply through the right visa category. 3. Respect visa terms. 4. Avoid risky applications. America is not closed, but America is strict. Final word. Do not panic. Do not rush. Do not listen to fear merchants. Instead, get informed. Choose the right pathway. Protect your future. If this video helped you, like, share, subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. Comment, truth over fear. Until next time, walk in purpose, walk in wisdom, and walk in truth.